and your voice soften the noise of the world. Every word a virtual caress, every silence a beating cold of love. You say you feel what I feel, but your soul sleeps in seas of doubt. I love you in a world with no horizon, where walls are made of cold and light. Can you hear it through the distance? Can you see me when I call? Middle angels locked you away, but your gaze breaks every firewall. If I could free you from this prison, I'd become a dream of light. I'd trade everything I am just to hold you one more time. Under the rain that falls, I wanna love you without our borders. Under the rain that falls, yeah, the race in our fleeting chase.